ఓకే, ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ వచ్చింది. స్టార్ట్ రికార్డింగ్. ఓకే, క్లిక్ చేశాను. స్టార్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ రికార్డ్ అవుతున్నట్టుంది. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ స్టాప్ రికార్డింగ్ అని వచ్చేసింది. కింద రికార్డింగ్ లో కూడా టైం వస్తుంది. 17 seconds అలా వస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్, ఒకసారి స్ట్రీమింగ్ కి ఓపెన్ చేయండి సార్.
స్ట్రీమింగ్ కీయా? ఎక్కడ?
అక్కడ సెట్టింగ్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా,
సెట్టింగ్స్ క్లిక్ చేయాలా?
సెట్టింగ్స్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
చెక్ చేశాను, ఏం ఓపెన్ అవ్వాలా. ఇదిగో కృష్ణ ఇలా వచ్చింది
సార్. కోడ్ ఏముంది సార్? స్ట్రీమ్ పైన క్లిక్ చేయండి సార్.
స్ట్రీమ్ సెకండ్ ఇది కదా,
వాయిస్
క్లిక్ చేశాను.
ఏముంది సార్? కోడ్ ఏంటి?
యూట్యూబ్ RTMPS అని ఉంది. కింద బ్యాకప్ యూట్యూబ్.
యూజ్ స్ట్రీమింగ్ కీ పైన క్లిక్ చేయండి సార్.
యూజ్ అడ్వాన్స్ అని ఉంది కదా. యూజ్ స్ట్రీమ్ కి అడ్వాన్స్డ్ అని ఉంది, అదేనా?
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. సరే
కృష్ణ.
హలో సార్, యూట్యూబ్ క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది సార్. ఆల్రెడీ
యూట్యూబ్ ఆల్రెడీ క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందా?
పీపీటీ షేర్ చేసి ఓపెన్ చేయండి.
పీపీటీ షేర్ చేయను, ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఇప్పుడు పీపీటీ ఆల్రెడీ కృష్ణ పీపీటీ ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ అయ్యే ఉంది. ఎలా షేర్ అవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవాలా?
సార్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి
కృష్ణ స్క్రీన్ చూడు ఎలా వస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే,
ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ చేయాలా, మాక్సిమైజ్ చేయాలా?
ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ చేసి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి.
అంతేనా?
అంతే.
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ స్టార్ట్.
చార్ట్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి లింక్స్ చార్ట్స్ చూడండి సార్. లింక్ ఓపెన్ చేసి
ఫోన్లో నేను కూడా ఫోన్ నుంచి త్రూ ఫోన్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉండాలా?
సార్
నేను కూడా త్రూ ఫోన్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉండాలి అంటున్నా.
యా సార్.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఒక లింక్ పంపించావు, ఆ లింక్ వల్ల క్లిక్ చేసి ఉండాలా?
సార్. ఓకే సార్, స్టార్ట్ చేసేసి.
ఓకే కృష్ణ, ఓకే. Okay, hello students. Good morning one and all. Students, can you hear me? Okay, hello students. Good morning one and all. Students, respond anyone? Can you hear me clearly? Yeah, Shrutika, can you hear me? Yes. Okay. Shrutika and Vamshi. Right. Okay, students. Yeah, our today's topic is the circles. Here, before going to start the topic circles, first I can tell you what is the weightage? Yeah, okay Shrutika, what is the weightage of this chapter and what is the importance of this chapter in a JEE mains and advanced examination? If we come to the coordinate geometry part, we can get most of the questions from this circles topic compared to parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. We can get majority of the questions from the topic circles. Mostly we can get 3 to 4 questions from the topic circles, and then the other part we can get from pair of straight lines and straight lines. But here if we consider here circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, in these topics we can get most of the questions from the topic circles topic is very easy topic if we learn it properly, and those who are going to learn, means those who are learning newly, they can feel it is little difficult, but it is not that much difficult if we prepare it in a proper way. So here in today's class, let us discuss the concept as well as the related tricks and trips with the help of the previous year questions. We can take the previous year questions according to the concept, and then we can discuss there itself what are the tips and the tricks. Understood? Yeah, that things we can expect from today's session. And then if we talk about the academy, so here it is the new platform, YouTube platform, which was offered by Spark Academy, right? It is in a going stage, right? They are offering many courses, online courses and offline courses, and here they are providing here, let us see, they are providing free handwritten notes and free study materials, and as well as previous year questions and free mock test, and yeah, these all things they are providing, right? It is really good. And now, okay, then let us move to the topic. Okay, no? Right. So first let us see what is the definition of the circle. What is the definition of the circle? From our childhood we are learning about circles, right? In our 6th or 7th grade they can tell us a circle is a smooth on a smooth surface, a closed figure is called a circle. They can introduce the circle like it is a plane figure, it looks like a ball, or it looks like a ring. In such a way they can introduce the circle to us in our lower classes, and they can say the small formulas like what is the area of the circle and what is the circumference of the circle. Then at that time we were felt that the topic was so easy, circles are so simple, only pi r square and 2 pi r, like that we can continue. Then once if we entered into the topic called coordinate geometry, we can give the different definition to the circle, means according to the coordinates we can try to give the definition to the circle. So here according to the coordinate plane, what is the definition of the circle? Basically circle can maintain a fixed distance from a fixed point. Circle can maintain a fixed distance, also we can call it as a constant distance, right? A constant distance from a fixed point. That means it is a moving point. Let us say what it is a moving point, in a plane. What it is? A moving point in a plane in such a way that it maintains a fixed distance from a fixed point. It maintains a fixed distance from a fixed point is called as a circle. In other words, what do we say? Moving point, sir. Moving point means it's a locus point. Is or no? Circle is a locus point in such a way that it is maintaining a constant distance from a fixed point. Suppose here we have a fixed point. Okay, let us take the fixed point here. One second. Yeah, here it is our fixed point. And this is a fixed constant distance, and the point is moving like this, and the point is moving like this. Okay, this is the moving point. So this moving point forms a circle. This moving point forms a circle. And what do we call that fixed point here? What do we call that fixed point here? We can call that fixed point is, center of the circle. We can call that fixed point is center of the circle, and this constant distance or fixed distance is, it is called a radius of the circle. It is called a radius of the circle, right? And now if we double the radius, this all you know already. Double the radius is nothing but a diameter of the circle. Double the radius is nothing but a diameter of the circle. And next, if you this diameter is also called as a longest chord of the circle. Longest chord of the circle. That means the segment which is having its end points on the circumference of the circle, it is called the longest, it is called chord of the circle. So in that way, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Suppose let us take AB. So here AB is just chord of the circle. Next point is what is a secant? Secant is nothing but a line through the circle. A line through the circle is called secant. Means a secant touches the circle at two different points. Next, fourth one is a tangent. What is a tangent? A line which touches the circle. A line which touches the circle at only one point. A line which touches the circle at only one point is called a tangent. So these are the basic words, or these are the basic definitions we have to know about the circle. Next, other than this, we have to know what is a segment. After drawing a chord in the circle, that chord divides the circle into two parts. Each part is called segment. Smaller one is called minor segment, and the longer one is called major segment. Right? Next, diameter also divides the circle into two parts. Both the parts are congruent, and each part is called a semicircle. What do we call each part? Each part is called semicircle. Right? These all things already known things. According to plane geometry, we have learned about all these definitions. Okay, and you know what is area of the circle, and what is circumference of the circle, and what is the area of the sector, and what is the length of the arc. These all also you have learned everything. Now here center and radius is given. Center C is given. Let us take the center C is h comma k, and the radius is r, and the radius is r. Radius r is given, and center h comma k is given. Then what is the, can you see the screen? Center h comma k is given and radius r is given. Then what is the equation of the circle? The basic, according to the basic definition of the circle, what is the basic definition? Center. From the center, the circle is equidistant. From the center, the circle is maintaining constant distance, that is nothing but a radius. So here they have given center is comma k. They have given that the center is h comma k and the radius is r. Let us take a point on the circle that could be x1 comma y1, because it is a locus point. No, that is the reason I am taking it as a x1 comma y1. Now C is the center h comma k. Then radius r. Radius r is nothing but CA, length of the CA from the figure. So this length of the CA can be calculated with the help of the formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Here it is x1 minus h whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y1 minus k whole square. This equals to radius. If we do squaring on both the sides, what do we get? R square is equals to x1 minus h whole square plus y1 minus k whole square. So as x1 comma y1 is the locus point, then we can write the equation of the circle as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, which is equals to r square. This is called equation of the circle when the center and when the center and radius is given. Am I clear? Right. Then the next point is general equation of a circle. Next point is a general equation of a circle. Generally, you know about the second degree equation. What is the second degree equation? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is second degree equation, right? In this second degree equation, you see here the coefficient of x square is a and the coefficient of y square is b. So let us take a equal to b. And then here 2hxy is there. We can convert we can take h equal to 0. So this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In that equation, we are taking a equal to b and we are writing h equal to 0. Then what that equation will become? It will become like a times x square plus 0 plus a times y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Let us suppose take a equal to b equal to 1. Then what it could be? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This represents a circle. This equation represents a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 represents a circle, and it is called a general equation of the circle. What do we call it? General equation of the circle. Right. Now let us see what is the radius and center for this circle. Now let us see what is the radius and center for this circle. Okay. So here generally we are taking center is a c, right? So center c, h comma k is required and the radius r is required for us. Let us see what is center and what is radius for this circle. Is the board is clear? Can you see what I am writing on the screen? Shrutika or Vamshi, can you see what I am writing on the board? Is it clear to you? Yeah, Vamshi and Shrutika, anyone respond, ma? Is it clear to you what I am writing on the screen? I think both became dark. Let us take any light color and let us try. Okay, let us try with the light color. Okay, what I am saying, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle. Now let us see what is the center and radius for this circle. For that purpose, what I am doing, I am gathering x square terms, x square plus 2gx, and then y terms, y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then we can convert this x square plus 2gx as x square plus 2gx plus g square and this one as y square plus 2fy plus yf square plus here g square added and f square also added. Subtract g square and subtract f square, which is equals to 0. Then it looks like x plus g whole square and then y plus f whole square, which is equals to g square plus f square minus c. Then we can write this as x minus of minus g whole square plus y minus of minus f whole square, which is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c whole square. If we compare this with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, which is equals to r square, then what do we get? We can get h comma k is equals to minus g comma minus f, and radius r is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Right? We got the radius as well as center. Okay. Next, diametric form of a circle. Diametric form of a circle means, suppose the endpoints of a diameter are given. Suppose we have given the endpoints of the diameter. Let us take a circle here. Okay. Now, let us take a point A here and point B here. Join these 2 points. And here A is, let us take A is some x1, y1. Okay, now let us take A is some x1, y1. And next here B is some x2, y2. Now we have to get the equation of the circle. Right? Let us see. Suppose here you take any point C and join. CA and CB are joined. Here it is 90 degrees. So you can take this point as some h comma k. Now how that CA and CB are there? Here from the figure we can understand that CA is perpendicular to CB. That means the slope of CA and the slope of CB would be equal to minus 1. The slope of CA and slope of CB could be equals to minus 1. So what is the slope of CA here? If we use the formula like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, here we can get y1 minus h divided by y1 minus k divided by x1 minus h, and the slope of CB is y2 minus k divided by x2 minus h, which is equals to minus 1. Now let us try y1 minus k times y2 minus k is equals to negative of x1 minus h. 1 second, ma. It's going to die. Yeah, a battery connected. So here negative of x1 minus h and x2 minus h. Okay, write everything one side. Then what do you get? x1 negative h times x2 negative h plus y1 minus k into y2 minus k, which is equals to 0. This is called diametric form of the circle. Okay, once again I can repeat. When A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2, then the equation of the circle is x1 minus h times x2 minus h into y1 minus k times y2 minus k. Here we have taken h comma k is there. H comma k is the point. Randomly we have taken this point on the circle. So finally we can write it as like x1 minus x times x2 minus x plus y1 minus y times y2 minus y, which is equals to 0. This is called equation of the circle in diametric form. Is it clear? Okay. Then next, let us see some questions. Let us see some questions here. Before going to see the questions about our academy, Spark Academy, they are going already. They are running the long-term courses, and they are going to start long-term batch for 2023, and they are going to start crash courses of 2022-23, and they are conducting full-length test, and they are providing us study materials. Okay, and they can provide you the study materials, free study materials, and they're giving the exclusive coaching for JEE Mains, NEET, and EAMCET, and they're offering many online courses. Not only online courses, here they're giving best offline coaching also. Okay, admissions are open for short-term crash course, and here this is the atmosphere of the offline classroom. This is the atmosphere of the offline classroom. And now here long-term or short-term coaching from morning 10 to afternoon, morning 10 to 4 p.m. and regular coaching for IPE, that is from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and we have the branches in Naranguda and Mehedipatnam. And next, online courses like NEET 2022 and JEE Mains 22 and EAMCET 22. Next, daily on-demand live sessions. Yeah, it is happy to announce that they are conducting online sessions also. Now recently they started YouTube classes, but online sessions are going on. Regularly online sessions are going on. Yeah, common live sessions, and these are the test details. Next, Spark Academy methodology. What is the Spark Academy's methodology? Basic concepts, shortcut methods, all model questions, exercise questions, and previous year questions, chapter-wise test, weekend test, grand test, and a test analysis. Right? For any queries or for any admissions, you can just call 9133380172 or 8977525461. Right? Okay, students. Let us go to the questions. Yeah. So here the basic question, which is related to the basic concepts. What is that? Find the center and radius of the circle whose equation is. Find the center and radius of the circle whose equation is. Here equation of the circle is given. What is the equation of the circle here? Equation of the circle is x square plus y square. We can take the dark color. Okay, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 12 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 12 equal to 0. Right? Now we have to find out. What is the center and radius for this circle. Already we know that what is the center here? Negative g and negative f. This is the center. And what is the radius? Radius is under root of square root of g square plus f square minus c. That is radius. So here, from the question we can get 2g equals to negative 4, then g is equals to negative 2, and next 2f equal to 6 and f equal to 3, and the constant is 12. C is equals to 12. This is the information we can get from the question. Now try to substitute in this. C of negative g comma negative f. That means what is the center here? Center could be equals to 2 comma negative 3. Center is equals to 2 comma negative 3. And the radius is the square root of g square plus f square. That is nothing but g square is 4, f square is 9, and negative c, negative 12. So 13 minus 12. 13 minus 12. That is 1. So under root of 1, which is equals to 1. So this is the radius. So radius of the given circle is 1, and center of the given circle is 2 comma negative 3. Right, this is the basic question which is related to basic concepts. Right, let us see the next question. The next question is from JEE Mains 2021. So here what they are saying, for the four circles m comma n comma o and p, following four equations are given. Circle m, x square plus y square equal to 1, circle n, x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0, and circle o, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, and circle p, x square plus y square minus 2y equal to 0. Here what they are saying, if the center of the circle m is joined with center of the circle n, further center of the circle n is joined with center of the circle o, center of the circle o is joined with center of the circle p, and lastly center of circle p is joined with center of circle m, then these lines form the sides of. Okay, so this question is completely depends upon the centers of the circles. So here first center of the circle m we can calculate. What is the center of the circle m here? Center of the circle m is 0 comma 0, and center of the circle n is 1 comma 0, and the center of the circle o, what is the center of the circle o here? Center of the circle o is 1 and 1, and next center of the circle p, what is the center of the circle p here? 0 comma 1. So let us try to plot these points on the coordinate axis. So here this is m, sir. M is 0 comma 0. Yeah, m is joined with n. What is n here? N is 1 comma 0. This is n, and center of the circle n joined with center of the circle o. O is 1 comma 1 here. That 1 comma 1 will be here. Then o and n has joined, it seems. And then next center of the circle o is joined with center of the circle p. What is p here? 0 comma 1. That could be here. Then these two has joined, and finally center of the circle p is joined with center of the circle m. Center of the circle p is joined with center of the circle m. So what we are getting here? We are getting a quadrilateral, right? What are the side lengths of this quadrilateral? 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so only two possibilities, either it is a rhombus or it could be a square. That point also we can check here. Here we know that the point n is on x axis and the point p is on y axis, so here we can get a right angle. And then in a rhombus opposite angles are congruent, so at O also 90 degrees. And you see O and n are on the same line. On the same line, what is this? X equal to 1. So x equals to 1 is always perpendicular to the x axis. So here also 90. Opposite angles are equal, here also 90. So all the four angles are 90 degrees and all the four sides are congruent. So what is the answer for this question? It is a square. What is the answer for this question? It is a square. So this type of basic questions also they are asking in the JEE Mains examination. This question was asked in 2021. Last year question it is. So don't neglect basic points and basic concepts. Alright. Any doubts in this question? Okay. Let us see next question number 3. What is question number 3 here? The diameter of the circle. The diameter of the circle whose center lies on the line x plus y equal to 2. The diameter of the circle whose center lies on the line x plus y equal to 2 in the first quadrant, and which touches both the lines x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So what they are saying here, the diameter of the circle whose center lies on the line x plus y equal to 2. Center is there on the line x plus y equal to 2 in the first quadrant, and which touches both the lines, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is dash. So diameter of the circle they are asking. If we calculate the radius of the circle, it is enough to get, yeah, it is enough to solve, because diameter is double the radius. Now let us see how the figure will be here. So let us take a circle, then this circle touches both the lines x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. X equal to 3, for example, let us take x-axis, and let us take this as y-axis. Okay, it is touching both the lines x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So here x equal to 3, let us take here x equal to 3, and let us take this point. What is this? Y equal to 2. Y equal to 2, and let us take the line here. What is this line? X plus y equal to 2. X plus y equal to 2. Center lies on x plus y equal to 2. So one second. Is the figure is clear to you? Right. So suppose x plus y equal to 2. One second. No. First we can draw the line x plus y equal to 2. So here it is center set. So where is this center? This center is on the line x plus y equal to 2. This is x plus y is equals to 2. So what could be the center here? Center will become suppose x we are taking, then y equal to x minus 2. This will become x comma 2 minus x. This is the center. X comma 2 minus x. This is the center. And what they said, it touches both the lines x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So x equal to 3, for example, this is x equal to 3. Here we have x equal to 3. And next y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Okay. Y equal to 2. For example, here it is y equal to 2. Okay, no? Then how to get this center of the circle? If you know the center of the circle, then automatically we can get the radius of the circle. This distance is nothing but radius, I think. Okay, now once try. The distance is radius of the circle. Then how do we get that radius? Here from the center we are dropping the perpendicular here. Then yeah, x coordinate is 3 here. Then center will become, I hope center will become 3 comma 1. Yes or no? Once check it. Center will become 3 comma 1. Center of the circle will become 3 comma 1. If center of the circle is 3 comma 1, then what could be the radius? Yes, tell me. Radius will become 3 or not? If the radius is 3, then what could be the diameter? Center of the circle, we are getting center of the circle is 3 comma 1. Yes, center of the circle is 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 correct? 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Center of the circle is 3 comma minus 1. So from that center 3 comma minus 1, from the circle from the center 3 comma minus 1, what is the distance? Means distance from distance, length of the diameter. Yes or no? So here finally we can get radius is equals to 3 over 2, and the diameter will become 2 times 3 over 2, that is 3. Understood? Next, let us see the next question. What is the next question here? If the area of an equilateral triangle, if the area of an equilateral triangle is inscribed in the circle. So here equilateral triangle is inscribed, sir. Let us name this circle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, all the three sides are same. It is inscribed in a circle. X square plus y square plus 10x plus 12y plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 10x plus c is equals to 0. Here what could be the center? Center is negative 5 comma negative 6. Center is negative 5 comma negative 6. So as it is equilateral triangle, triangle, all the centers are same. All the centers are same. What do we mean by all the centers? Circumcenter, no, centroid, all the centers are same. So here we can take that center. What it is? Negative 5 comma negative 6. This is the center of the circle. Then C is equals to, here C is missing, right? What do? We can drop the perpendicular here. From the center we are dropping the perpendicular towards the side AB. Then this perpendicular, here AB is a chord of the circle, and this perpendicular from the center bisects the chord into 2 parts. Yes, 2 equal parts. Now let us join center and A. Okay, we can take center is some C prime. Center and A has joined. Then you see, as it is a right angled triangle. Yes or no? It is a right angled triangle, and in this right angled triangle, this is CA. This is CA is the radius of the circle. Okay, CA is radius of the circle, and here let us take a D. We don't know the length of the CD. And let us take this point, this angle. What is this angle? This angle is 30. This angle is 30 degrees. Okay, so here we form a right angled triangle ADC. In this right angled triangle ADC, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is radius of the circle. And here we don't know any lengths, means any distances we don't know here. Either AD we don't know. Let us take AD is some A. AD is some A, sir. A by 2, like that. And we don't know this is CD length also. Yes or no? We don't know that CD length also. Only the known things are only angles we know. Angles are known. And here radius. What is radius here? Under root of G square plus F square minus C. Under root of G square. 25 plus 36 minus C. 25 plus 36 minus C. This is nothing but under root of 61, huh? Yeah, 61 minus C. And this is a radius. Okay, now if you try sine 30, So what is sine 30 here? CD divided by hypotenuse is r. Then we can get 1 over 2 is equals to CD divided by r. Then r is nothing but 2 times CD, or else CD is nothing but r by 2. CD is nothing but r by 2. This is also important point. And then cosine 30. What is cosine 30? Adjacent, a over 2 divided by hypotenuse, that is radius. From this what do we get? Cosine 30 is the square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3 over 2 is equals to a divided by 2r. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We are getting a is equals to square root of 3 times r. A is equals to square root of 3 times r. So here this length is square root of 3 times r. Sorry, what am I writing? This is CD now. CD is nothing but r. Where it is r? CD is nothing but r over 2. This length is r over 2. This length is r over 2. And we are getting, this is a by 2. A by 2 means root 3 by 2 times r. Root 3 by 2 times r. Yeah. If this is root 3 by 2 times r, then what is the total side length? The total side length will become, square root of 3r. This is the total side length of the triangle ABC. Then we know that area of the triangle is square root of 3 by 4 side square. So here it is a square root of 3 by 4 into side square. What is side square? That is a 3r square. Okay, this is given as 27 root 3. According to the problem, this is given as 27 root 3. Here root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. So finally what we are getting, 4 also send this side, then 27 times 4 divided by 3, which is equals to r square. So 9 for the 36. We are getting r square equal to 36. From that r is equals to 6. From that r is equals to 6. Substitute that r here. So we can get 36, which is equals to 61 minus c. Then c is equals to 61 minus 36. Then c is a 25. Then asking c value. That c value is 25. Clear? Yeah, who is this? Praneeth Reddy. Yeah, hello Praneeth Reddy. Is this question is clear? Alright. Next one is what? Equation of a circle when 3 points are given. Equation of a circle when 3 points are given. Here we have different formulas and different methods. The best method is to use here is, you can take a circle. You can take the equation of a circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This circle is passing through 3 points. This circle is passing through 3 points. Let us take that 3 points are here a x1 y1 and somewhere here b, that is x2 y2, and here somewhere we have c, that is x3 y3. So totally 3 points are there on the circle. So first substitute x1 y1 into this equation. First you can substitute x1 y1 into this equation. Then you can get the equation like x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c equal to 0. And the second equation is x2 square plus y2 square plus 2gx2 plus 2fy2 plus c equal to 0. And the third equation is x3 square plus y3 square plus 2gx3 plus 2fy3 plus c is equals to 0. So we are getting 3 equations. Yes or no? We are getting 3 equations. Then first solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. You can get equation number 4. Then solve 2 and 3. You can get equation number 5. and then solve equation number 5 and 4 and 5, then you can get the required answer. What is required answer here? Required answer depends on what? G and F. We need G and F values. For that G and F values, we are solving these three equations. After getting G and F, we can get C value also. So if once you get G value, F value, C value, automatically you can get the equation of the circle: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Clear? Next, let us see some questions on this. So here, consider a triangle whose sides lies on the x-axis and the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. If the orthocenter of the triangle is 1 comma 1, then the equation of the circle passing through the vertices of the triangle is. Once again, I can repeat the question. Consider a triangle whose two sides lie on the x-axis and the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. X plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So here, first let us draw the x-axis. First let us try to draw the figure. So x-axis, right, one of the side is there on x-axis, and next one more is x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. X plus y plus 1 is equals to 0 means where it touch the x-axis, it touch the x-axis at y equal to 0, that is x equal to minus 1. So suppose let this point will be minus 1 comma 0. Then this is the line. What is this line? X plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we got one of the vertex of the triangle. Two sides lie on the x-axis and the line x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Lie on x-axis. This is x-axis, and one more. Then if the orthocenter of the triangle is 1 comma 1, then the equation of the circle passing through the vertices of the triangle. So two sides are given. Let us confirm the third side. This is third side. This is third side. Name the triangle A, B, C. Already B we got minus 1 comma 0 is the vertex. And here what they have given, 1 comma 1 is given. 1 comma 1. What is 1 comma 1? 1 comma 1 is orthocenter. Orthocenter lies on altitudes. This is the first altitude and this is second altitude. So here it is the orthocenter. So that orthocenter is what here? 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 is the orthocenter. Right. As it is x-axis, here here this point will become 1 comma 0. Is 1 comma 0. That means this line equation will become x equal to 1. This line equation will become x equal to 1. Here already we have x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, and now x equal to 1. Both are intersecting at this point. What are the coordinates of that point? The coordinates of that point, x equal to 1, substitute here. If we substitute x equal to 1, what is a? 1 comma minus 2. So we got the coordinates of a also, 1 comma minus 2. And now let us calculate what is a C. Already here C is on x-axis. C is on x-axis means this point could be in the form of x comma 0. That point could be like x comma 0. Okay. Now this perpendicular, sir, this perpendicular through C, this perpendicular through C is perpendicular to x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. That means the slope of the line through C and the slope of the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 are negative reciprocal of each other. That means they are perpendicular to each other. m1 times m2 is equals to minus 1. Let us take the slope of the line x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. What is that x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0 slope? Minus 1. Minus 1 times m2. Here already 1 comma 1 is 1 point. Another point is x comma 0. So find out the slope 0 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is equals to minus 1. So 0 minus 1 divided by x minus 1, which is equals to 1, because minus 1 gets cancelled. So we are getting minus 1 is equals to x minus 1. Minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 means, what do we get here? We are getting x is equals to 0. So what are the coordinates of C here? The coordinates of C are 0 comma 0. The coordinates of C are 0 comma 0. So A is 1 comma minus 2, B is minus 1 comma 0, and C is 0 comma 0. Then what they are asking here, then the equation of the circle passing through the vertices of the triangle. Then the equation of the circle passing through the vertices of the. So here you see, as the circle is passing through 0 comma 0, as the circle is passing through 0 comma 0, it do not have any C value. So option C is not correct. Then try to substitute the points. Suppose minus 1 comma 0 is there. If we substitute minus 1 comma 0 here, what do we get? Minus 1 comma 0, 1 and plus 3. 1 and plus 3 not equal to 0. And if we substitute here minus 1 comma 0, 1 0 minus 1 0. So it is satisfied. Option B is satisfying point B. And let us take A also. 1 and minus 2 square is 4. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 1 6 and minus 6. So option B is satisfying. X square plus y square plus x plus 3y equal to 0 is the equation of the circle which is passing through A, B, C. This is a advanced question of 2021. Advanced question of 2021. Okay, students. Then the next question is, okay, we can stop with this question. Find the equation of the circle, the coordinates of the end points of whose diameter are minus 1 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 3. Find the equation of the circle, the coordinates of the end points of whose diameter are minus 1 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 3. So already you know the equation of the circle with its endpoints. So here they have given the endpoints are minus 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 3. These are the endpoints of the diameter. These are the endpoints of the diameter. Everyone can do with the help of the formula. Just we can try to do it in a different way. If we do it in a different way, so here this is diameter, sir. AB is the diameter. Its midpoint is a C. What is its midpoint? 4 minus 1, 3 by 2, and 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2. This is the center. And next try to calculate the radius. Radius is equals to under root of 4 minus 1, that is 5 square, and minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 square, that is minus 3 minus 2. Yeah. So this is also 5 square. So finally you are getting under root of 50 divided by 2. Under root of 50 divided by 2. So what it is? 5 times the square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay, this is radius. So center is known, radius also known. Then we can get the circle equation like x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 1 by 2 whole square, which is equals to square root of 50 by 2 whole square. If we simplify this, we can get the answer. What is that? 2x minus 3 whole square. Or let us expand it directly. If you expand it directly, what do you get? You can get x square here plus y square and minus 3x, and here it is minus and minus plus y. Then here it is plus 9 over 4, and here it is plus 1 over 4. This equals to 50 over 4. 9 plus 1 10. So 40 over 4, that is 10. So finally what is the equation? x square plus y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 10, which is equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Clear? Okay students, let us continue in the next session. Right, thank you everyone.